welcome back to the channel. In today's video, this is gonna be one of the many firsts that I'll be sharing with you guys because I only do travel videos and travel vlogs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button down below and let's get to the video. Magbisaya na lang kaya ko no. Kapoy lang mag-translate. So lately, I've been thinking of improving the quality of videos that I take, especially when traveling. But I don't want to commit yet to a very expensive camera because one, I don't have the budget for it, and two, I'm not doing this professionally. So I've just considered nowadays that smartphones can take decent photos and videos, so why not maximize the one that I have? I'm just only left with how to create those fluid, non-shaky, cinematic-like videos. I've searched the internet and I've stumbled upon the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. It's the second generation of the DJI mobile stabilizers. It has a lot of in-app features like time-lapse, hyperlapse, motion time-lapse, and slow motion. And there's also like active tracking or something like that. So I went out, I practiced myself with it, took some shots, and the next slides are my practice shots. Disclaimer, I'm just a beginner for this gadget, so if you have any tips and tricks on how to create videos by the use of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, please leave them in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.